Hello guys, and welcome back. This is going to be our second PHP tutorial for beginners. In this tutorial we're going to go ahead and learn how to declare a variable, a variable. So let's go ahead here, and what we're going to do is I have created a file here, a PHP file called tutorial2. Again, that's inside my ht docs under my exam folder, exam server here, and I have a directory or folder called tutorials, and in here I have the tutorial2. Okay, so in this tutorial here, simply let's just go ahead and we're gonna go ahead and start with the PHP. Under here is like, let's declare a variable, and I'm gonna call this number1, and I'm gonna set this equal to 7, and I'm gonna declare another number here, and I'm gonna call it number2. I'm going to set this equal to 10. So here's how you declare variables in PHP. You put a $, and then the variable name. So basically the name you want to call that particular variable, and then you initialize it to a value. So basically you do not basically tell it what sort of type it is or what type of variable. You just state, and then based on what you initialize it to be, you know is the type. Now what we're going to do is let's go ahead and print those two values out. So what we're going to do here is we're going to concatenate this basically to print out both results. So I'm going to explain in a minute what that means. So I'm going to say here, say number1 equals, so number1 will equal, I'm going to make number1 to equal number1, and then here I'm going to leave a space, and I'm going to say number2 equals, and I'm going to put here number2. Okay, so what are we expected to see here? Basically what the dot here operator means, it means that we want to concatenate all this. So what we are saying is like this string, concatenate the string with this variable, basically get the value out of the variable, which is 7. So we'll say number1 equals 7, and then we'll leave a space, and we'll say number2 is 10. So that's what we are expected to see here. Let's go ahead here. I'm already in this tutorial here, tutorial 2. So let me go ahead and refresh this guy here very fast. Once we refresh this, we should be, so we do see here number1 equals 7 and number2 equals 10. Again, the echo here basically prints out whatever is in here, are concatenated here, whatever we concatenated here within our browser window, which is what we see. So that was a simple tutorial, guys. That explains how you declare variables. There are a lot of types of variables, data, basically strings and so on. But once you initialize that to anything, so basically you say number1 and we set this here equals, I'm going to say hello, it will know that number1 is a data type of string. So if I go ahead and refresh this, I should say number1 equals hello, which is what we see. Okay, so guys, that was a tutorial on how to declare variables in PHP. Again, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do that. And please watch the other tutorials and leave comments with any concerns or suggestions you guys have. Again, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.